Folks, need to do a little housekeeping. The image you see here is an image that was on a video that was done by Taryn Rain, and I'm going to put a link in the information section so that hopefully you will check out his particular video to give you some background on Olsley, Kentucky, which is, according to information that is easily obtainable, the poorest county in the entire country. Yeah, that's right, poorer than any county in Alabama or Mississippi or Louisiana, and they are known for the lack of economic prosperity. Now, I'm saying this because, as you can see here, this particular county is 99% white and 95% Republican. As you can also see, 96% of the county residents use food stamps. So that's just a whole nother myth that's debunked as far as the majority of food stamp recipients being people of color. But that's not really the focus of this video. The reason I'm making this video is, obviously, or maybe not so obviously, 95% of the population, being Republican, voted overwhelmingly for Donald Trump. But that's not really the saddest part about this. That 95% also voted for Matt Bevin for governor. Now, if you're not aware of Kentucky politics, the previous governor of Kentucky was a Democrat, and he accepted the Medicaid expansion, which allowed a ton, and I do mean a ton, of people in the state of Kentucky to obtain health insurance, dental insurance, and eye care insurance. People were flocking like crazy, okay, once they were able to qualify for Medicaid, to go see doctors, go see dentists, and go see optometrists. Well, Governor Matt Bevin, when he campaigned on the fact that he was going to come in and get rid of the Medicaid expansion. And people voted for him. A lot of people voted for him. So now that he is governor, and they are talking about repeal and replace Obamacare, the majority of these Republicans aren't totally crazy, so that they know, for the most part, if they already have or have accepted the Medicaid expansion, that they are pretty much going to have to keep it. And you have at least 5 states, once Mr. Trump got in there and made his announcements about rolling back the ACA, and in particular looking at Medicaid, they opted in to Medicaid, okay? This particular governor made a public announcement that he was intending to roll back the benefits that the people of Kentucky are eligible for. So, in particular, he's not really going to mess around too much with the medical benefits, but he is going to completely remove the dental and eye care benefits so that people will no longer have those types of insurances. Now, what he said specifically was that people would still be able to obtain the dental and eye care benefits, but they would have to work for them, okay? So that if you're retired or whatever and on Medicaid and you're below 65, but you are able to receive the Medicaid because of the expansion, they are going to pull your dental and eye benefits from you, so that you're going to have to go out and get either a job or do some type of community service to amass points in order to be able to obtain those benefits. That is just absolutely crazy. But again, it's people like the ones that live in this county that were told about the reduction of Medicaid benefits and voted for this monster with their eyes open. So that now, whenever this happens, and I honestly believe that something is going to go down on Medicaid, that people that have these benefits and then have them taken away are obviously going to have vision issues that they can't get resolved, and obviously dental issues. If you didn't know it, the state of Kentucky is documented as having the worst dental care of its citizens, specifically because they don't have insurance to cover it. I read a story not too long ago about a man who was working but was unable to afford dental and medical insurance. And I couldn't believe this, and I don't know if I still believe this, but it's documented. This guy's dental condition was so poor that he would go out during his lunch period, and because he was in such excruciating pain, he would go into his car and pull his own teeth. Yeah, I know, sounds unbelievable, but again, it's documented, so and I don't know what to tell you. Once this guy was able to qualify for dental insurance through the expansion of Medicaid, he immediately went to the dentist, and on camera he gave an interview that if this had been done prior, he would have a lot more teeth, because apparently this guy had pulled his own teeth on multiple occasions. People, you get what you pay for, and when people tell you that they're going to screw you, you need to believe it. And if you don't want to get screwed, don't vote for them. But Matt Bevin is a perfect example of a Republican who doesn't give a damn about ordinary people. He doesn't give a damn about the health and welfare of his constituents. He's just a Republican to his core. And he basically makes a statement that if you haven't taken care of yourself and you don't have the ability to take care of yourself, i.e. medical, dental, and especially optometry, then he's sorry, but so sad, too bad. Think about it, folks. We put that monster in and we put this monster in. I'm talking about Trump and Bevin. And now there's going to be the piper to pay.